today we're gonna show you guys how to make some ham Sui Gok, which is like a rice bowl dumpling.
Yeah.
So now we are preparing the filling here. So here we got some chopped up mushrooms, and we got some chopped up carrots, and chopped up onions,
and pork juice.
and then here we got some marinated pork. So this marination is just some salt, pepper, soy sauce, oyster sauce, some cornstarch, and some chicken stock. Yeah, the basic ingredients to marinate. So yeah, we're just gonna cook this up on our pan, and then the filling is should be ready. So
胡椒粉，少
we're
少
just mixing
鹽，
this up.
少少鹽，少少糖，
I'll put the list of ingredients that we put into here on the screen here.
咁啊，俾佢去炒勻佢咪係咯。
Okay. We're gonna first fry our pork first. So basically, guys, we're just gonna mix up all our ingredients, and yes, there will be the ingredients for the filling of the rice ball dumpling, ham Sui Gok. And we can pour in our onions here. We're gonna make sure the flavors of the onions starts popping out. Give that good onion flavor to the pork. And we can pour in the rest of our ingredients. We can pour in our mushrooms, and we can put in our carrots. Once it is all done, we can grab a handful of scallions and just throw it inside. And then this should be our filling for the ham Sui Gok. 仲要加味㗎嘛，係咪啊？ Okay. We'll show you what spices we're going to be putting onto this to make it taste authentic. We'll put 2 teaspoons of soy sauce. We'll put 1 heaped teaspoon of oyster sauce. Just sprinkle some white pepper here. Perhaps like half a teaspoon of salt. And 1 teaspoon of sugar. Gonna drizzle some Chinese rice wine, Guangdong Meizhao. About 2 teaspoons. Also about 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. And we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce. And we can just mix it all up, and it should be ready. Once it's ready, we can put in the scallion, and we can also grab a handful of sesame seeds to pour on top. And then this should be our filling for our ham Sui Gok. Okay. Sprinkling our scallions now.
咁咪靚啲，好 colourful 啦。colourful 食咗啦。
Okay, it's ready, guys.
嗱，啲色水好靚，我哋包生菜包得好靚嘅。我哋包生菜包啊，有呢啲粒粒咧，包生菜包一流嘅。
Alright, guys. Next, we'll show you guys how to make the dough. But let me show you guys. We're gonna sprinkle some sesame seeds on it as well.
會香啲咯，同少少芝麻一個香啲
Okay,
啦。
nice. Guys, we're gonna show you how to make the dough for the Sui Gok. So over here we got 130 grams of brown sugar. Over here we got 150 grams of wheat starch. And guys, over here we got 300 grams of glutinous rice flour. Okay guys, so we separated the flour, the flour. So this is the wheat starch. We're gonna be dissolving this with hot water. And here we got the glutinous rice flour. We'll be dissolving this with some warm water. Okay guys, we're first gonna dissolve the brown sugar in the warm water. This is approximately 180 grams of warm water, but we might need more. So we'll look at how the dough forms up. So we're just gonna mix that up first. Okay guys, once the brown sugar has dissolved in the warm water, we can pour that into our glutinous rice flour. We might need more water, more warm water. So glutinous rice flour will be using the warm water, and the wheat starch flour will be using hot water. So yeah, just pour that in and then form up a dough first. Just keep on mixing and form up a dough. Okay guys, as you can see, the dough is forming up. Looking good. Look at that. Okay guys, now we're gonna prepare the wheat starch flour. We're gonna be using hot water.
310.
About 310 grams to start. We might need more. Okay guys, so far we got 300 grams of hot water. We might not be using all of it, so just watch how the dough forms. Just gonna stir that wheat starch flour, as you can see. They're gonna form up a dough mixture. So pour in the hot water slowly, then just form up a dough mixture. Just like that. And then once the dough mixture is ready, then we can mix them up together. Okay guys, so as you can see, it formed into a dough. So we didn't like pour all the water, so just make sure it forms over the dough, and then we can mix it together with the glutinous rice flour. So that white stuff there is the white starch flour, and that brownish color one is the glutinous rice flour mixed with the warm sugary water. Now we're just gonna fold it together. Just fold it together until all the ingredients are mixed nicely together. This might take maybe 5 to 10 minutes. Okay guys, once your dough is ready, mixed, we got here some pig lard here. We're also gonna add in the lard here. So here's about 60 grams of pig lard.
唔係啊，150啊。
Oh, it's about 150 grams of pig lard here. We're just gonna mix that up with the dough as well.
150啊。
Okay. Now we're gonna mix that lard up with this dough mixture. Mix it up nicely. Okay guys, as you can see, it's almost ready. This dough pastry, we will be covering this with some cling wrap, and after 30 minutes it'll be ready for you guys to make the ham Sui Gok. Or you can just wrap it up, this dough up in the cling wrap and put it in the fridge overnight, and you can deep fry the next day. But in the next day you also have to knead the dough again. Yeah, and then you can deep fry your ham Sui Gok. Okay guys, it's ready. We're just gonna cling wrap this and put it in the fridge for overnight, and then we'll deep fry tomorrow. As we're making this recipe, now it's late at night, so we're just gonna cling wrap it, and then we'll show you guys the deep frying part tomorrow. Guys, we are making the ham Sui Gok now, guys. This has been put in the fridge overnight. Okay, so it has been overnight, so we're just gonna knead it again. And after kneading, we can make the ham Sui Gok, guys. We don't know if we put it in the fridge overnight, will it still come out good? But we'll find out right now. Alright guys, we're done kneading. We're just gonna use half a piece first. Just gonna knead it a bit.
Yeah.
Alright, we're gonna roll it up, and then we'll cut it into pieces to make the ham Sui Gok. Okay guys, so we just knead it again. We just added some water.
Yeah.
And we knead it again. Now it feels a bit soft, it's not that dry.
Yeah.
Then when we make it, it will stick better. Okay.
Now
we're gonna make a bigger ham Sui Gok. Just gotta flatten it with your palms there. If your dough feels dry and it starts to crackling and all that, that means you need to put a little bit more water.
Yeah.
And then you just do that. You just fold up the sides and close it up, and then it'll be ready for deep frying. You go like that. You just continue with all the others. Look at those guys. Put the filling and just fold the sides. Can't wait to deep fry these. Nice. Okay guys, it's time to deep fry our first batch. Make sure the oil is not so hot. So we just dumped in one just to check the temperature. We don't want it too hot. We want to cook these for we want to fry these for like 10 minutes. So the oil temperature must be very low. Okay, like this, the temperature should be right. You can see it's not bubbling too much. Make sure they don't stick together. Oh guys, these are big ham Sui Gok. Glutinous rice dumplings. Can't wait to eat these, guys. So easy to make. Okay guys, so you're just gonna look after them and flip them around for like up to 10 minutes and then it should be done and ready to eat. Okay guys, while you're deep frying this, you must keep on like moving the oil so that the oil can cover all of the dumplings.
Yeah.
So that everywhere will get the right color and texture. Just gotta deep fry these until they are golden, crispy. Okay guys, you can see now it's starting to turn color. Wow, looking so good. And can you see those little bubbles on the skin of the ham Sui Gok? Look at that. Oh wow, this is gonna be so tasty. It's almost ready guys.
炸到佢金啊golden color 啦，炸到佢金紅色就 OK 啦。
Alright guys, it's ready. Look at that. So crispy guys.
全部金黃色金元寶啊
Wow, look at that.
全部金元寶啊，靚啊
These are golden.
就係金元寶啊啦。
Oh yeah, look at that. Yummy. Our first batch.
Number one. It's nice.
Wow, look at that.
Oh, nice. Susan, 今次。